What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kittner here, and today we're working on maintenance the rally car. We already got the bumper off. We're just going to run it like this.
Bumper doesn't like to stay on in the first place.
Taking some fender fenders out. Alright guys, we got the oil changed and this, getting it ready to go for Saturday. Got a new filter that we found from the GT-R and straighten up the shifter. Put the battery mount in because we're going to need that where we're going. But we're about to roll it out. And we got a clutch job coming in that's in a pretty nice, like rally spec Subaru. Alright, here's the new clutch. Which one did he end up getting? Performance Street sprung disc. Got some nice seats. The RA steering wheel. Got a few mods. Map intake and a turbo back. Strut tower bar. Got a little winglet. Some lip flaps. Alright guys, we got our oil change, new filter. What else we do? We fixed the shifter because it was a little wonky. Alright guys, let's do a little test tuning around the shop. Sounds rally car. Getting it ready for Saturday, y'all.
Three laps to go.
Good stuff.
Alright guys, we're going to put this thing up before we end up breaking it before Saturday. But just wanted to give y'all guys a quick ride. And got the shifter all straightened out so she don't flop in gear. But yeah, this is going to be fun. Alright guys, we just got finished messing around. We got the S209 back for some modifications. We're going to change the oil in the Raptor for Saturday's adventure. So I'm going to take the getter home. But guys, thanks for joining us. Hit that like button and give us a subscribe. Drop a comment below, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace. Oh yeah, we need to take the GT-R out soon.